There are a few ways that you can verify that your measurement is correct. In this instance, I am using a ruler with centimeter markings on it. There are better, more accurate targets for doing this, but for our purposes now this will work. At the top of the screen, I make sure that my unit of measure is a centimeter. This is my pre-selected calibration file. I have selected the line tool which I have clicked on here. I now take my cursor to the middle of the first marking on my ruler and place a point. I then drag to the second marker, which is the 1 centimeter marker on my ruler, and I click to place my second point. To see the marking more clearly, I'm going to move the ruler out of the way. As you can see, I have measured 1.1 centimeters, so we now know that the pre-selected calibration file is verified and working. I will also show you another method for doing that. First, I'm going to delete all the measurements on the screen by pressing the trash can button. This will ask me if I would like to delete all objects that I have measured. I will click OK. I'm now moving a target into the field of view. This target has many pre-configured shapes. As you can see, these circles all have measurements. This circle here represents 1 circle. Next to it here represents 2.5 millimeters. I will now select a circle measuring tool. This is a 3-point circle measuring tool. To verify this calibration, I simply select one point at the edge of the circle, the next point at the next edge of the circle, and then I drag my circle to complete my measurement. I'm going to move the target out of the way, and as we can see, this has measured a diameter of 0.25. Circle we measured was 2 millimeters. If I bring my mouse cursor back to the top of the menu where I can select my unit of measure and select millimeter, you will see that it automatically converts the diameter to 2.51 millimeters. We now know that the calibration file that was pre-selected for me at that specific magnification is correct.